Would you like a martini? Haha, thought you'd say so. Let me make one for you. How about a white chocolate martini with your own homemade liqueur? How cool is that? The first step is tons of ice. And you have your own white chocolate liqueur. Vodka, white chocolate, vanilla. That's just delicious. That's the base. Yeah, let it fall on the ice cubes. And then to kick it up a little bit, some peppermint schnapps. Just a couple shots. You just want to highlight it. Just kiss it. And then give it a big ol' shake. Yeah, shake it up and get it nice and frothy. And I just rim the glass with peppermint, because why not? It's the holidays. Look at this thing. Super good. And if you shake it a lot, it gets really frothy on the top of it. It's just delicious. Oh, it's great. Happy holidays. That's insanely good. It's super decadent. Lots of peppermint, lots of white chocolate, a little bit of vanilla. But this and a truffle, you're in a happy place.